Alright, everybody, welcome. Hope everybody has had a safe Halloween. Um, um, hope everybody has had a safe and wonderful Halloween. Um, um, Fortunately, I didn't do anything this Halloween. Um, um, because of, you know, really high expenses. I've had water damage done to my apartment, and I gotta pay to get that fixed. So I couldn't get, I wanted to get my dog's Halloween costumes, but I couldn't do it because of finances and stuff. Both of my dogs are taking a poop. Hopefully next year should be better for us, and maybe next year I will dress my dogs up. Um, so, as you know, I completed my 30-day coming to the dog park, but I'm still gonna do videos of us at here every day, you know. So basically that's it, you know. Not really much to blog about. Um, I am in the process of trying to do a really special video. I'm gonna try and put together, make it really nice with music and effects and stuff. Gonna try and see if I can actually put that together. So, you know, all I want to just say is, please subscribe to us. Please subscribe to our channel. Also, please subscribe to Gone to the Snow Dogs, and just hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day. And there should be a live show. There should be a live show this Friday, so see you then. Okay. May the spirit of the wolf and husky be with you until we meet again next time in paradise. Okay? Bye.